Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Throughout this week, I'm going to be talking about some of the great persons, men and women of our Catholic heritage who were able to live in isolation, but who moved from isolation to solitude, that experience of being at one and at peace with themselves, with the world, and with God. And so today, I want to talk briefly about Thomas Merton. Merton lived in the 20th century. After a pretty exciting and fairly wild early life, he decided in 1941 to become a Trappist monk and to live in silence and solitude. And Merton in his writings says early on that he embraced solitude in order to get away from the world. But as he lived in the monastery over time, he came to see that solitude, rather than being an escape from the world, was actually his way of engaging in the world. It became his way of praying for the world. And so he saw his ministry of prayer as a way of making a difference in the world. We're able to do the same, even though we can't get out and do the things that we would like to do. We can still pray for the world. So I want to offer the Merton prayer as our reflection for today. And it goes like this. My Lord God, I have no idea where I am going. I do not see the road ahead of me. I cannot know for certain where it will end, nor do I really know myself. And the fact that I think I am following your will does not mean that I am actually doing so. But I believe that the desire to please you does, in fact, please you. And I hope I have that desire in all that I am doing. I hope that I will never do anything apart from that desire. And I know that if I do this, you will lead me by the right road, though I may know nothing about it. Therefore, will I trust you always, though I may seem to be lost and in the shadow of death. I will not fear, for you are ever with me, and you will never leave me to face my perils alone.